Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the grease filter switch assemblies in your retractable downdraft vent, raise the vent. Then shut off the power to the unit. Place a blanket over the cooktop to protect it. Remove the two grease filters. We recommend covering the holes in the vent frames to prevent loose screws from falling into the holes. Now use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the mounting screws, securing one of the two switch housings. Depress the actuator to detach the housing from the frame. Next, unthread the screws to separate the housing cover from the housing. Lift out the switch, then note the orientation of the wires and disconnect them. You're now ready to begin installing the new grease filter switch assemblies. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals on the new switch. Position the spring in the new housing. Then position the switch in the housing. Insert the actuator so it rests on top of the spring. Align the cover, then thread the screws to secure. Position the housing assembly in the vent frame. Then secure it with the mounting screws. Repeat the procedure to replace the other grease filter switch assembly. With the assemblies installed, replace the grease filters by aligning the bottom edge first. Then lift the latch to fully position the top edge. Turn the power supply back on and lower the vent. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.